Okay, this is it, the finished product, or almost. I've burned maybe 5-6 bundles of wood up to now. You see a pile of green wood. Although this machine is capable of burning green wood, it's not that great. You're just burning water actually. You'll see at the top here, this is an addition of mine. This is an axial blower, blows 750 cubic feet a minute. I've added lights outlet here, so lights are here and there. And this light is not meant for lighting, by the way. I'll show you why. Sequoia Industry is a local company in Saint-Denis de Bromptonville. It's 20 minutes from where I live. I visited them before I buy this machine and I really like the design, so this is why I went for it. So there's plenty of video of an outdoor wood boiler. Only thing is that each and every model and make is having its own features, let's say. So I'll show you the main features and I quickly cover how this machine works. So we got this first door with the latch at the top that keeps it open, and then you have the door inside. This is one feature I like, so the door doesn't get dirty, rusty and all this stuff. You won't see any exposed insulation. Everything is covered very well. The door has glycol in it that flows to cool it down. It's not going to warp. One special feature this one has is this lever that I can lower, and it's going to shake the grates at the bottom. I'll show you that when I open the door. The door has latch top and bottom, cam lever mechanism. It's roughly 36 inches high, 24 inches across. You've seen me jumping into the machine previously. Temperature level, and this is up there. It's the accumulation tank, and here it's showing it's missing water, so I'll have to add some more. Okay, you might see the temperature depending the reflection, 160, even below that 155 is going down. The reason is I do stop combustion in it, and this is the light that indicates the furnace is not working. I'm going to open the door, show you what it is in that mode. So what you need to know is that this machine works by itself. Its only purpose is to maintain the glycol in between 160 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit. That's it. It does not have anything to do with what is happening in the house, in the garage, whatsoever. The only purpose of that is to heat water, whatever happens with the water. And then in the back, it's pumping water to the buildings. Whatever happened with the glycol, I mean cooling down or not, it's matter. The only thing it maintains is the temperature. So how does it do that? Aquastat, I'll show you that. So the aquastat is on the other side of the building, on the machine, on this side. So very typical of a outdoor wood boiler. Two pumps, one is feeding the house, the other is feeding the garage. This is the main out for glycol. There's two more, let's say, spigots, and two ins, two more option to in. Glycol is now at 160, just below, and returning a bit colder because I'm heating the garage, that in the background, and the house is there. So basically those pipe goes in the ground, insulated pipes. One goes 350 feet to the garage. The other goes 150 feet to the house. I show you inside what it looks like. So first of all, this aquastat is going to kick on the blowers that are going to fire the machine. This one is a safety that is going to shut this all down, fans and all this stuff, just in case it reach over the limit, set limit temperature. The fans, one fan is here, can be removed for cleaning, or actually will need to be removed so from time to time to clean the there's a flapper inside, so it's going to push the flapper on and it's going to blow and bring air into the combustion chamber. I have the same at the front of the machine. While we're there, here is the chimney access. Chimney is at the it's the back of the machine, and the exit inside of the combustion chamber is at the bottom. Is at the front. So the chimney goes through the water jacket and goes up. So this is the cleaning access point to clean that section of the chimney. So this is it for this side, and again you can see no insulation visible whatsoever. Insulated door, insulated sides. I've got this disconnect here just in case. And this is a cool feature here. I should show you that. It's to remove hashes. I'm going to show you that in a moment. So when it comes time to feed this machine, you need to have the blowers. And by the way, the other blowers is just right here behind that access door. This is the other blower, and this is one additional damper that is actuated with the door. So whenever I open the door, it's going to give some air to the machine. So this little feature is giving some air to the combustion chamber, so whenever I open the door, it's not going to go like whoosh. You know what I mean. Okay, let's open this machine. We're going to do quick because whenever I open that, combustion is going to start. Not that quick, but it's going to start and make some smoke. So this is why I have that blower. So I'm going to start this blower right here along with the lights. And I'm opening the door. So it's burning a bit. Yeah, if I flip this switch off, it's going to bring air. You can see it. So all the smoke is going out and up. Well, I forgot to show you. This is the handle that is going to shake the grates. So while I'm cranking it, you'll see it's going to shake. It's time to close that door. Voila, this is it for this side. I'm going to leave that closed for now. So that's one feature I really like, cleaning ashes. So even then, I need not to open that door. Only need to open this cap. I've got this auger to insert inside. So next summer I'm going to pour concrete here to have a good receptacle for cleaning the ashes. The last thing I want to have is the incandescent pieces going and flying here, because we have winds here. The reason I didn't pour concrete up to that location is because the configuration of my insulated pipes was very, I'd say, awkward. Okay, as you can see, this is a must. I don't want to smell smoke each and every time I come here, feed the machine. By the way, I feed the machine once a day. That's it. Now I'm going to switch to fan. It's likely it's not going to start right there. It's not ready for its cycle. But next time it's going to be ready. So that's it for the boiler side. 2 pumps feeding the 2 buildings. This is all what it's taking care of. It's just pumping hot glycol. That's it. And by the way, this is propylene glycol, 40-60, capable of almost below 40 Fahrenheit, Celsius, whatever you want. Because at -40, this is the same level. I mean, by the way. Why so? Because it's costly to feed that machine with 1,000 liter, 250 gallons, give or take. It's almost $5,000, this precious gold liquid. It's because if there's something, a power outage for so long or whatever happens, I don't want to miss this machine and anything else. Moreover, in the garage, I don't want to heat that full time. So when I'm not in the garage, I just shut it down. So in the garage it can go below freezing point, and I'm not worried about the equipment freezing with the no worry about rust, corrosion whatsoever. So that's the reason. As you can see, the flue pipe going from the back, and from the inside of the combustion chamber, this is the outlet. So combustion chamber here, water jacket on the top. So flow of the chimney goes like so, through the water jacket and coming out. So I'm going to clean that today with you. So it got this access door here. I'm going to open it. Actually, this is going to be the first time of the season. And this is the tool they make to clean that excess. Not that bad actually. That way. So it says clean periodically. I'm going to try to show on the inside. So you can see barely at the bottom, very far bottom of it is the flue coming in and coming out. And I did clean the sides, and this is going through the water jacket.